First, we need to assemble. Bucket lift. Don't stop. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Done! We need to protect the house from foul weather. Tap the screen to keep building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Bucket lift. Amazing! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Keep it up.